A chance to win $50 in cash.
Garage one for Karlsson Coffee.
DJ's in the house.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Look at these pretty cars. This car is These are some shiny cars.
These jeeps here always remind me of Jurassic Park.
You like it?
How many miles?
Only 62,000.
What is it?
72.
You ready to ask me questions?
All right, so what's Garage One? Garage One is the fastest, easiest way to take care of your car. It's our product line. Okay, Garage One is all made with water-based, Teflon, Carnauba, polymers, and we're using Polytech technology. That's polymers and Teflon technology. So it's all safe for you and it's safe for the environment. We make everything from a car wash to a speed wax to a surface protectant, vinyl protectant, leather conditioner, everything there is to be made for a car, we make it right here at Garage One. We make one product in each category, and that's because we produce it to the best of our ability. So anything that you'd like to take care of your car with, you can get here at the Garage One Pro Shop or order online at garageonepro.com. We have a Cars and Coffee once a month. Every first Saturday of every month, we have a Cars and Coffee from 8 in the morning till 11 a.m. And you'll see product demonstrations. We have music and donuts and coffee. It's fun for everybody to come out and bring your car, take pride in your ride, and learn a little something about how to take care of your products with your car faster and easier. Okay, so do you have a car, by the way?
What do you guys use on motorcycles?
Motorcycles? That's great. We have a multi-purpose cleaner that's used a lot because it gets a lot of mud and dirt and grime on it. The multi-purpose cleaner can clean it. Then you use your speed wax to wax it up and make it nice. You can use a leather conditioner on the seat on the motorcycle. We have a chrome polish for your chrome. So,
And you can put glitter on it if you want to.
what can we put on it? Glitter?
Glitter, make it shiny.
Yeah. You can shine the glitter up even more.
It's all about being jazzy, right?
If you paint the motorcycle, then you have time to put the glitter on for it dries.
Okay. Well, we'll take your advice on that.
What's the location?
The location, we're at 5136 West Idlewild Avenue in Tampa, 33634, the zip code. Like I said, we're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 4. Every first Saturday morning we have a Cars and Coffee, like what you're at here right now. Come out, see the cars, have some coffee and donuts with us, see product demonstrations, and just have a good time.
Can the cars have a race?
A race? Any burnouts?
No, we don't race. We don't advocate racing around here.
When somebody walks in, what's the #1 target?
Sure. That's the easy one. That's our Garage One Pro Speed Wax. Because whether you have your car washed by a professional, take it to a car wash, you want to quickly wax your car, you spray and wipe our Garage One Speed Wax on it, and you can clean it. You can go over all surfaces, the paint, the glass, the chrome, the black trim, and it never leaves a streak or a white residue. So the Speed Wax is our #1 selling product and the #1 product that people come in and ask for. at Garage Lawn.
This is still long.
These are sampler. You got the Pro Gold, the Speed Wax, and the tire gel. All things that make it. You wash, you wax, and you treat and you dress your tires.
What's the tire thing?
It makes the tires nice and deep and black and shiny, and makes it pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
That sounds good. Okay guys, where's Karlsson wash? That car? Let's think that car. Yeah. These are the 3 samples from the Garage one. This is the Speed Wax. This one is, it's yellow. This one is the car wash that make the tires shiny. How dirty. How dirty the tires. Very dusty. Has dust. Dust.
Dirty.
Yucky, yucky. That makes you get it clean. When I was putting out in, I think that would do.
A little bit.
Yep, that would do.
Go on.
I do it to microphone car. This would do.
Yeah, I got the I'll walk along the car.
Let's spray the car. All done. Now this will do it. I'll make this car nice, nice, nice clean. Now, that smells nice. Shiny when we clean it.
Water problems. Love bugs.
They're being really crazy over there. Can you believe it?
It even tastes good.
It'll be nice and shiny. So, what you think? It's looks pretty new, right? I kid. Time for Speed Wax. Safer to use waxes, gas, and paint. It's also good for the environment.
And a 2 foot by 2 foot section. It's a Speed Wax. A little bit of prep and you just rub it on. Like that. A little bit. And you just rub it dry. See how it, ooh, nice and waxy.
It smells good. Look, smell. outside. Get
Ah! Bye! Wax on, wax off. Now these love bugs were here when we bought the car, so none of the car cleaners going to get that off. But this wax should help protect for future love bugs. When a lot of the northerners come to Florida, they don't know we only have 2 seasons here. And March and August is called love bug season. Now, Garage One sells his speed wax in a bigger 16 fluid ounce bottle.
This little thing is made by Canoodle wax. Now, I forgot what I was doing. Wax on, wax off. How shiny. Before, after, yeah, looks like you have to do the rest of them.
I gotta do the rest of them?
What do you think about your current car? Looks pretty good?
It looks awesome. It looks shiny. Thanks, Garage One. Banjo, I think you should do the other cars. You did such a wonderful job.
I'm not ready. Yeah, I'm missing one thing. I think I'm missing something. Oh, now I know. I put the tires. That's one more thing. Also, I'll use a tire full pan, but we don't use a regular house's wash car.
All right. Can you put it on the tire? That's it. No, side of the tire. Just rub it in. Like that.
Oh my gosh. And they're so shiny. They're so shiny. Chicken's coming.
Shiny, so shiny.
There's only one thing left to do. Ooh la la. Don't curry.
Shiny, so shiny.
Thank you, Garage One. I put a description, a link below. Thanks for watching Banjo Travel. Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Small good, big world, this traveler.
What kind of wax job you giving Betty Red? The Brazilian?
The Brazilian wax job.
Look, she has sparkles.
Oh my god, my pink dress has sparkles.
Where's Adrian?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at him taking.
Chicken and